AKBA stock analysis Wednesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in the short 1 minute AKBA stock analysis video. Overall, Akebia Therapeutics just, just flew by. My bias on this was obviously I was willing to take things up because it was sitting right here. And by the way, I do have the proof to back it up. This video was made, for example, 20th of January, and this is exactly how it looked like. At the time it was 207, now it's 237. And ultimately, if you ask me, I'm still looking to take it up. I mean, I'm not willing to trade this because more likely than not, we're just going to keep breaking through these structural highs. So we have a point at 248, is it? Yeah, 248. Then we have 296. And then that's all. Like, those are the next highs that I want to see the market clear. And if I see retracements, I'm definitely keeping you updated. But for right now, it's not a great timing for longs. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.